Saturday and we are about to get ready to run some errands. I purchased some jeans from JCPenney, some Levi's that I've been wanting for a long time, but it's like I'm in between sizes, so it doesn't look right. So I'm returning 2 of them and I'm only keeping 1. So we need to go to JCPenney and return that. And I just get ready. I managed to work out, so I'm so excited. I'm still pumped. I feel like I still got that pre-workout in me. And Kai's in here in my beauty room. My beauty room is a mess, you guys. And I also got some heels that I really wanted to try out. The square type sandal. I got this baby pink one. It looks super cute, perfect for spring. And then I also got these high heels. They're like cheetah print with a little platform. They're super cute. I'm in love with them. And the jeans are like right there, but my room is literally such a mess. Throw away boxes, move around lights, like we need to sweep in here. So my room needs to be deeply clean and I need to get ready. So you can remember, you guys, be in the mentality of you don't need to get ready. You always stay ready for better opportunities and for yourself. You know what I mean? So like if you're always ready, it's just, you know, good energy all the time. You don't need to get ready. Just stay ready. Hair is done. Time for this makeup. Change it up today. So I'm gonna use these two. Y'all already know our obsession with Smoothie King, that I literally got the app, or not Smoothie King, Tropical Smoothie, literally got the app. So you guys, we're having lunch at, of course, Tropical Cafe. I'm trying out a new smoothie. It is like a dragon fruit one, but I feel like dragon fruit doesn't taste like anything. It almost tastes like a prickly pear, honestly. I'm gonna steal some from my husband's because they forgot our chips, so he went inside to get our chips. He got beach bum with white chocolate. Really good. I'm sure y'all are like bored of this already on our vlog. Y'all are food all the time. She gave it to you. We are back home from getting groceries. I actually just put all the groceries up and everything. The smoothie at Tropical Cafe was so bad, and also the wrap. That was the first time that we've ever not liked our food. Like my wrap was literally filled with rice and hardly any chicken. Whatever. I am just wiping down the counter right now from all the groceries that I'm gonna be making shrimp pasta, and then right now I'm gonna make banana pudding, so I'm gonna have y'all watch me make that. So let's make dessert. So for the pudding, I'm just gonna be making it whatever the instructions say. I'm also gonna be adding in a little bit of whipped topping, not a lot, maybe like 3 to 4 tablespoons, and also some cream cheese, but I didn't post it on here. I don't know, I lost that clip. So just go ahead and make the pudding to the instructions. Guys, my arms hurt so bad from making this because I worked out full body and arms today, so my arms are super sore, and you gotta beat this for like 2 minutes. Struggling. We love banana pudding. My husband loves banana pudding. I like banana pudding. My baby also. So every once in a while I like to, you know, make us a little dessert. Not a lot. I'm not even, like, we don't have it often, but like, saw this recipe on YouTube where the man used these type of cookies. They weren't these though. They're this brand of Pepperidge Farm, but they were called like biscuit something, and these are crisp, caramelized crisp. So not the same cookies. Oh well, I'm thinking these kind of will be like vanilla wafers, so they'll be just as good. I'm gonna layer the cookies and pour in the pudding and bananas. You know the rest. Now I'm just gonna put it in the fridge.
Yes? You don't know.
All right, guys, so it is much later on in the evening now. It's like 7:30. It's about to be 7:30. I'm about to start cooking dinner. I'm gonna make shrimp fettuccine, something super simple and easy from a jar. Honestly, I just want to keep it chilled. Malachi and his dad are outside having fun on the swings. Cook dinner. I'm just gonna get the water boiling so the pasta's cooked, and the shrimp cooks super fast, so I'm not even worried about that. And we're probably gonna have like a nice salad with this, and yeah, just a chill Saturday as usual. It actually was really ugly all afternoon, so pictures today for the IG was not happening. That sucked. But right now it's actually really beautiful, but it's just really chilly, so yeah, I had to put on a sweater. So we're over here. Let's cook dinner. This is what we're cooking for dinner. Some jumbo shrimp fettuccine. We're gonna add in some bell peppers, mushrooms, garlic, butter, basil. Let's get it popping. So yes, I am cooking with a canned Alfredo sauce, but this is how I make it taste better. You know what I mean? Like, you actually try it. Let's give this some flavor. We're gonna add seasonings. It's gonna be so bomb. Okay, so get ready, get ready. We got our shrimp ready. We're dicing up some white onion to add into our sauce. I just want slices of onion in there. So just then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Got all of our veggies cut up, onion, garlic. We're gonna throw that in right now. We're gonna throw all this in to our pot with the butter. This has butter. I know I could just make my own sauce, you know, from scratch, but I don't have all of the stuff, and I do have that little sauce on hand, so I'm like, perfect. And we've been literally just been having like a chill day, like I said, because it's been such ugly weather. But I'm excited, you guys. We've been hearing good news about remodeling the kitchen, and we've been thinking about new things that we want to add to the kitchen when we do remodel it, with the whole, you know, situation with the winter storm. For sure, we're going to be adding in some more lighting here in the kitchen, because for my cooking videos, I'm like, I need lighting like above me, I feel like, and also like somewhere over here, so there's like light. So you feel me? We're going to be trying to do some renovations soon. Hopefully we get everything situated. So now that it's boiling, I'm going to add in some salt and get the pasta ready. The last few minutes of cooking, I'm gonna throw in mushrooms. My husband really likes mushrooms. So then I'm just gonna be adding in the basil and the pasta sauce of your choice. I add in a little bit of water and just shake it in, so that way the pasta sauce is not super thick. Then I like to top mine off with some Parmesan cheese, and I served this with a salad, you guys. It was so freaking good. Definitely try it out. Revamp your pasta sauce at home. So this came out so good, so good as always. And then I love having these zero sugar Dr. Peppers. These are so good. A little salad with my Greek yogurt ranch and some chile, because I have to have stuff spicy. So yeah, it's time to eat dinner. I'm so tired, you guys. It's already like freaking 8 o'clock. And my head already hurts from this chongo. We didn't get to go to JCPenney's or Marshall's today because I forgot to bring the clothes. So tomorrow we're gonna go do that. So stay tuned, because I still have to return those jeans, and I still have to clean my beauty room because I didn't do that either. Tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Today is a Sunday. Happy Sunday. I am currently making breakfast. I'm about to meal prep some breakfast burritos for the week, and I wanted to show y'all from like my husband's food, and also how I like to have it For me, without the tortilla, sometimes I like to do like little breakfast bowls for just like when I work out, or you know, something easy. I'm currently having some cafecito. Dude, I am so sore, you guys. Like, I woke up this morning and I'm like, oh, today's gonna be one of those days where I literally just have to take it super slow. I worked out so good because we were all outside. Like, my husband was washing his truck and like Kai was playing. I love to work out on the weekends because my husband's here and he always like is watching Kai and helping me and stuff like that, so I get to like go harder on the weights and like more dedicated, longer workouts. And especially when we're all outside together, I feel like it's even better because I can also like in between sets like play with Malachi, like we chase the ball, like we play, you know, stuff like that. It's just more fun. But yesterday I tried out a new workout called Good Mornings. So it's like when you put the squat bar over. I kept thinking when I was doing it of Legally Blonde.
So you bend and snap.
But I was thinking that because it's literally almost like the same movement. Like you go down and you pop back up. I feel like it was working out like my upper booty, but you guys, my lower back, I can't even bend over right now. Let's go ahead and make some little breakfast burritos and breakfast bowls for the week, and let me show you guys. This little hot sauce because it's not that spicy. In the mornings he doesn't like really spicy because it hurts his stomach. This is my habanero salsa. I need it spicy always. So let's make some breakfast. I did the baby potatoes, which I'm obsessed with now, by the way. We're gonna add in some Mexican cheese, and then I have these as well. For me, they're just smaller tortillas, so I like to have these during the week for like tacos and stuff like that. So for the filling, I just did some sausage and egg. Time to clean up all this mess. It was so funny. I wanted to share how when you're cleaning your room and you start finding like random stuff. Like I found a nail file. I'm like, dude, I've been needing to file my nails, and I started filing my nails. My friend was asking about these perfumes, and I started like texting her back and forth. I'm like, this is why it always takes us so long to clean our room. Overview of my glam room, because I know babes were asking. I wanted to give a quick overview of my beauty room. I know a few of you girls have asked me to share it, and I'm always like, oh, I'm not done decorating it. But then again, I don't think I'm ever going to be done. So I'm just going to go ahead and just share what I have in my room as of now. And my vanity desk is the Mom, I think that's called Mom IKEA desk. My husband got this for me a few years back. And this thing I have on the wall hanging, I just use it to hang my crystals, my nail polish, and stuff like that. And I got it at Burlington, and I really like it just for like little stuff like that. And then these pictures I got off Pinterest and just hung them. There's me. Hi guys. So yeah, and then this beautiful mirror, you guys, I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it's called, and my husband just installed the lights around it. My lights and my ring light are all from Amazon. And then here in this corner I have another Mom IKEA desk that I have on the ground, and I just have it filled with eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. The light bulbs, I also got them from Amazon. If I can find the link, I will link them down below. And everything in my vanity, if I find links, I will also link down below. That way you guys can check it out, everything that's in my beauty room. So definitely check down below